What is going on, YouTube? I am back with another video. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna roll the intro and get into the video. Alright, so if you're new to my channel, then welcome to my channel again. I currently have a 2004 G35 sedan, that's 6-speed manual, and I also have a 2004 Chevrolet Tahoe. So today we're going to be talking about the Tahoe, and if you watched my last video, I told you what the first mod to that was going to be. It's already in. I didn't get any of the installation process of it, but I've already installed a radio on it. So all I needed was a radio. I already had door speakers that I bought. I already had a system for it. I already had multiple amps. All I needed was a radio and a few wires, literally, and I've already installed that along with the second battery that I had in the Infinity that wasn't being used. So we're gonna go over everything. I'm gonna show y'all everything that I bought. I'm gonna go over everything specifically that I did with the Tahoe. So let's get out there and let's get to it. Alright, I'm back. So I had to go somewhere with the larger space because in my last video, if you notice, I didn't have much room to really walk around this car because it's a big SUV, so I didn't have much room. But as you can see, it's very dirty. It was raining and it's pretty dirty, but it happens. But let's get to it. So I changed the radio like I mentioned. I changed the radio. This is got a Pioneer. What brand is this? Oh man, I forgot. I'll tag right here what kind of radio it is because I forgot that quickly, because it's a Pioneer with a whole bunch of numbers and letters, so I can't remember off the top of my head. But yeah, it's Pioneer radio. It has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, all of that. I don't have it set up. I don't have Apple CarPlay set up right now, but I'll get to that eventually. It sounds just fine without it. And then I also added a bass knob for my subs. And in there I have some Memphis door speakers. They're 100 watts each. I just got front and rear. You can't really see them through, but I'll go ahead and throw a picture of what they look like right here. And I have different ones in the rear than I do the front. The front are 6.7 and 6 3/4, and the rear are 6 1/2. So I put some bigger ones in the front, obviously, because you want more sound. And yeah, I mean, can't really see them in there, but I've changed all the door speakers. And then the last thing I did was, well, second to last thing was I added these two DB Drive WDX 2K12s. So as they say on the sub, they're both 2,000 watts each, 1,000 watts RMS a piece. And then I have them in a very small Pro box. But surprisingly, this Pro box was the only one that would fit in the Infinity. Like, I couldn't go any bigger. And this is the system I had in there, just rewired it. And back here, there's a battery. You can see how that's wired. Not the cleanest setup, but it was just this is all temporary. It's just to get it going and see how everything works. And then so yeah, that's my sub setup. And honestly, the subs need more box. That's crazy to say, but that's something I'll get into another time. Then we have my amps. So wiring mess again. I'm gonna clean it all up, but they're mounted to those pieces of wood which aren't screwed through the carpet. So I mean, that's not harming anything. It's just there. We're gonna clean that all up too though. That's just that side. Yeah, let me get some copyright free music so this video doesn't get yellow or red flag. And I'll be right back. Sounds good. I can go even louder. All right, I guess that's enough. But I mean, as you can see, that sounds pretty good. That sounds real good compared to what I played last video. That junk radio and those junk speakers. Yeah, that's 10 times better. I also got some more things that I said I was gonna get for the Tahoe as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all that, I guess, as a little bonus for this video. So let me grab this bag. Oh, so I stopped by Summit Racing today, and I also grabbed some valve cover gaskets like I did for the Camaro. These are the exact same ones, literally. You know, so I like GM. You know, you can just go anywhere and find parts for Chevy stuff, especially Tahoes. They made so many. Then I also got these plug wires, which are pretty much overkill, but these are also the same ones I got for the Camaro. They had that car running so good. Then I got some spark plugs, and they didn't have any of the laser platinums or the iridiums in stock, so I just got some NGK V-Power spark plugs, which are still good. I mean, this truck will not be seeing any crazy mods, I don't think. So yeah, I got those 3 things for it. I'm not sure when I'm gonna throw all of it in. That's gonna be in a future video. I don't know when. I may not even. We'll see when I throw those in. I also have the backup camera too that I didn't show y'all. I'll show y'all that in probably another video, or I might be installing it the next time y'all, or the first time y'all see it. So just stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. So if you like the radio, I'll leave my full setup. I'll leave everything that I bought in the description below. Well, I'll just leave the model. I won't leave links to it because I mean, I'm not sure if I can even find links for it. But I'll leave my full system setup, and honestly, everything was pretty plug and play. So that was pretty cool. You know, I did have to rewire everything to the amps, of course. So if you don't like wiring, then go to a professional. But I'll leave all of the things that I used in the description below, or everything that you need, and that should set you up to fix this problem if you do have a Tahoe, because this is a pretty common problem. But I'm not gonna keep rambling on. So next video, expect and me basically doing a tune-up and changing the valve cover gaskets, or the backup camera and maybe another mod. So yeah, expect that in the near future. And yeah, as always, y'all take it easy. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe to my channel for more content. I'm gonna try to upload at least 2 to 3 times a week if I can. So yeah, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you think in the comments below about my setup and just what you think in general. So yeah, y'all take it easy, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.